The wait is finally over, and we've already brained the new trading course for the cryptocurrencies and technical analysis, and we're about to dive in for the best thing and the sailors in the world out there. What the hell am I talking about? Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to today's. Wait. No, it's not a Bitcoin update. It's not anything. But this is your trading course that you guys have been requesting for a very, very long time. And here we are. No time wasted. And I want to dive to to this course after a long request from so many members. And here we are with the trade the tides in crypto, and I call this the pirate trader. The reason why I call this a pirate trader, if you're wondering about the name, is because I want you to be a sailor. Okay, you see, the water is a very good example when it comes to the market. Okay, the water has its storms, it has its calm, it has its ebbs and flows, and it flows in a different direction. And you must learn how to sail, to be a sailor, to be a captain of the ship, and go out there just like these pirates do, and they fight the tides, because the boat is not meant to be on the shore of a river. It's actually meant to face the storm. And this is what I want you to do. Okay, and you do know me. I'm Adam Coins. If you don't know me, now you know me. But anyway, you've seen me on YouTube. I've done technical analysis, and I do have like 5 to 6 years experience now. Did my own stuff, had my own failures, and there's a message that I want to actually give you out there. So can you actually be your own boss out there? Can you learn technical analysis and you can actually survive on your own? The answer is actually yes. But before that, people think that technical analysis is so easy to follow. It's not really that easy, as so many people think that it's so easy. No, it is not, but it's fun once you get it. And I love analyzing the markets. And if you don't understand technical analysis, well, probably go find a different passion. Okay, don't come in here, because I did this because I loved looking at the charts in the markets. Professionally, I wanted to be a software developer, and that's why I have my bachelor's degree, by the way. I'm a software engineer, but the thing is, I even love technical analysis, and I used to do technical analysis for fun, and I just got naturally so good at it that it people just told me, teach us what you know, and this is why I'm here. All right, so what can you expect out of this course is, I'm not going to tell you you're going to earn a lot of billions and millions and triple of money, which is possible by the end of this course if you actually apply every single thing you learn along the way. Yes, you can do that. But what I want to tell you is that at least this course, my main target for the course is that you don't lose anything. When you don't lose anything, the earning itself, it's going to take care of itself. Just learn how not to lose. And this is the reason why I'm bringing this course, where you used to lose like 60% before. You might lose even 1% or 2% right now. Okay, so that's the reason why I am bringing the course here. So let's talk about the course timeline. Enough with the talking and the introduction. So what to expect out of this course? Again, number one is going to be trading psychology. So we're going to start with a little bit of mental preparation, and we're going to talk about different case studies. We're going to look at the real life stories and studies that will reflect yourself. Now, there is a book called Mastering the Trade by John F. Carter, and we're going to talk about the case studies. Now, the reason why trading psychology is really, really important, and let me tell you one thing straight out of the bat, is that the trading psychology is 80-90% of trading itself. The charts are just the 20% of it. First of all, it starts with your inner self, your brain and your mentality when it comes to trading. How good can you handle the pressure depends on your mental strength. That's the first thing, and the number one rule that many beginners, they actually ignore. And then later, when they start losing a lot of money, they start to realize that, damn it, trading psychology was everything that I had to learn first. but we're gonna dive into that one. So expect things like how to live if you're a married person, how to live if you're a student. I'm gonna tell you my own personal stories when I was a student and how I used to invest in it and how I used to handle my surroundings and my university, and a lot of things we're gonna talk about, and how to handle situation when you're in a loss, when you're in profits. So many things has to do with psychology because the market is designed in such a way that it takes advantage of normal human nature. And from here, guys, we're going to go into the market psychology. Now, you do have your own thinking, and the market itself has its own damn bloody thinking as well, because the market is driven by human emotions. When people are so bullish, it gets a little bearish, and when people are bearish, it turns bullish, because it's you versus the market as well. So the market also wants to win against you. Yes, you, right? Because trading involves two people, buyers and sellers, and this is just the fight, dog fight between the buyers and the sellers, and it's always been like that from the very beginning. Okay, all right. That's not even all. We do have candlesticks. Learn how these Japanese invented candles and why they're so effective. Okay, so I do believe that candlestick reading is the heart of trading. The next one is going to be chart patterns, and learn the soul of trading. And this is the soul. Okay, if candlesticks is the heart, chart pattern is the soul of trading. These two combined are so powerful that you can really earn big time. Okay, you can earn big time if you apply them perfectly and correctly the way they are supposed to be done, which I'm going to tell you in this course. And money management, guys, do you respect your money? A lot of people don't get this part. This is like the final piece of it. This is like the icing on the cake. The money that you have, how do you manage your money? How much should you invest? When to invest? All of these things are going to be discussed in this course. We have a lot of things. Okay, so learn how much is enough to invest in controlling your investment. You know, there's someone who said, and I like the way they said that, a person who cannot respect $1 is not capable of handling $1 million. Repeat that part again. Okay, that is not everything. We have even way more things. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to set up the charts to go to tradingview.com for the first time. Customize your charts for if you're new to this game and a beginner. We're going to talk about indicators. We're going to talk about Elliott wave theory in a downtrend, in an uptrend, Fibonacci retracement, using the market phases, the uptrend, the downtrend, the ranging markets as well, the EMAs, what are these ones, how they can help you in trading, the Heikin-Ashi bars, using an exchange like Binance, OKX, and the tips and tricks and the reality and myth about an exchange, and taking advantage of an exchange from top to bottom. Okay, and how they're designed to actually rip you off as well. I'm going to talk about this one. What's required from you. Now, before I even talk about what's required, I just want to go into Google as well, and you can see that we do have the course description. So I do want to tell you the further descriptions that we are going to get from the course. We're going to learn about top to bottom, right to left scanning. We're going to talk about thrust and reaction. What are these ones? Stop loss hunting, uptrend, downtrend, Bitcoin DXY, Bitcoin dominance, Vanguard and their relation. We have Elliott wave theory, Elliott wave in a downtrend, in an uptrend, and applying on a Bitcoin. ABC's correction, what are these ones? Chart pattern during thrust and reaction. Indicators. In indicators, going to learn RSI, the Bollinger Bands, the Gaussian channel, the volume, the EMAs. We're going to learn about bottom reversals, candlestick reading, of course, supply and demand. We're going to talk about time frame and how they're effective, and how to analyze different time frames like the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the monthly, the weekly, and how to read those and how they're different from one another. Fibonacci and golden ratios, combining fibs, Elliott's, and EMAs, EMA on different time frames as well. Bear and the bull market. A lot of people wonder, how can I know when the bull market is going to end, and how am I going to know when the bear market is going to end so that I can invest? We're going to discuss this one in detail as well. Different market phases, choppy, sideways, and trending, combining everything together. So far, whatever is above here, we're going to combine them together. Watch out for fake outs when you're reading chart, twisting of chart patterns, support and resistance, when to enter. And this is one of the biggest challenges and one of the most important section of this trading course, because if you know when to enter, then you're going to win. Entering is the most trickiest part in trading crypto, because if you lose, you're going to lose a little bit. If you earn really good. So if this one is right, if you get this one right, damn, you've won already. Okay, so deciding a coin, for example, many people tell me, how can I know which coin is good for the future? I need this coin. I don't know which coin I should invest in, and how to research a coin. We're going to talk about white paper reading, the project, the roadmaps, the websites, the GitHub. We're going to look at everything, the coin market cap, the circulating supply, all of this that is in effect. Okay. All right, so Wyckoff accumulation and distribution. We're going to talk about slingshot effect, the impulsive and corrective waves, divergences of the volume, channels, like what is a channel, lines and Heikin-Ashi bars, accumulation phase. We're going to talk about checking Ponzi scheme, researching a good project. You don't want to end up investing in a project that is actually a Ponzi. For example, like the Squid Game token you've seen before, it just went to zero all of a sudden, like the rag pull that people say. Binance tip using an exchange, buy, sell, limit order, sell order, OCO, okay, order cancelled. I don't know what this is. Can you stop beeping, you little? Okay. Volume, gainers, losers, etc. Looking at different time frames to come to a conclusion. Relief rallies in a downtrend, dumps, pullback and retracement, black swan event, even more. I'm going to talk about more about it. And then the C part of it is going to be the money management, of course. The first part of it is going to be case study of the trading psychology. We're going to talk about trading mind, and there's a story of a river and two boats, stop loss and fear of missing out, not sticking to the plan, introduction to trading, coming with a plan, paper trading, emotions, beginners mistakes, what does the experienced traders do, handling losses, living as a trader and handling your surroundings, taking some time off, zigzag sync, analysis, paralysis. All of these things, when you combine them, by the end of this video, when you combine them, I don't think you're ever gonna come back and say that I lost a trade. Seriously, I challenge you to come and say that you lost a trade, or you were not winning, or even if you lost, you didn't recover. Now, what's required from you? What do we need from you? Is double P and double D. So what is this? The first P is patience, right? So patience is the key. Patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. Do you understand that? You cannot be successful without patience. Don't come up to this course thinking that it's going to be a very quick course that you're going to master in just some few hours, and then you're going to start making money. It's probably, let me be honest with you, it's probably going to take you even the first 6 months to actually get a little bit better, because there are 4 stages of a trader. First stage is that he lose money. Second stage is that he lose less money. Third stage is he stops to lose his money. And the fourth stage is actually he recovers and start to earn money. So you're gonna go through these 4 phases. Everyone goes through them, okay? Everyone does. The second P, practice. And they say that practice makes perfect. It's true. The number first D is a discipline, okay? And patience is the key, of course. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. And I'm probably more successful because I got a better discipline, probably. And after that, we do have determination. So what is determination? Wake up with determination, and you're gonna go to bed with satisfaction. Now, don't say this in front of your wife, because she's gonna say, who's that who you slept with such satisfaction? You went to the bed with satisfaction? Anyway, this is a trading course. I'm not trying to destroy, break any house, right? Anyway, thanks for watching with patience. Best of luck.